Hoy visitamos Universal Studios Hollywood en Los Ángeles. Es un parque temático y estudio de cine en funcionamiento, donde la magia del cine cobra vida. Con atracciones basadas en Mario World, Transformers, Jurassic World, Harry Potter, Fast and Furious, The Simpsons y más, este parque ofrece emocionantes montañas rusas, simuladores en 3D y espectáculos en vivo. Haremos un breve recorrido por el parque, mostrándote algunas de sus zonas sin arruinar las sorpresas que te esperan cuando lo visites. Recomendable llegar antes de apertura o comprar Early Access Ticket para llegarle cuanto antes al Super Nintendo World, que es una de las zonas más concurridas.
Гарри Поттер и тайная комната.
small town type of settings that our courthouse square can offer. And the fun thing with our back lot is the world is literally around the corner. So we're gonna turn the corner and take you over to the Big Apple. This is our New York Street. New York Street is our longest and continuous set. And both ends of the street over here are curved. That way when the camera is on it, it looks as if this road goes on forever and ever, but it doesn't. It ends, as you just saw, the moment that you turn the corner. New York Street has been Changeling, starring Angelina Jolie, The Sting, starring Robert Redford, and Home Alone 2, Lost in New York, filmed some scenes in around Spring Street. This next section, I'm going to have somebody special introduce. Well, two special people. Welcome to Michael Bay to really bring his picture to life, as opposed to doing it in actual downtown Los Angeles, where it may not be as safe to do so. That's why our filmmakers Jack Black's going to tell you about that.
And self-action. Did you?
Of our studio tour for over 50 years now. A word of caution as we enter where adventure awaits us here in Skull Island. Please remain seated, hang on to your loved ones. Of the voice. And this beautiful body of water is what we call the Hollywood Ocean. The Hollywood Ocean is home to another studio tour classic that opened up in 1973. And it was based off of the film The Ten Commandments, the parting of the Red Sea. Only on our lot, and for they didn't even have a choice on what movies they were going to do. It's just they signed a 3-year contract. They had to do whatever movie that Universal was doing, only at Universal, for those 3 years. Now it's a little bit different. It's a hot set. They are filming over here today. Hot set just means they want to keep it. All right, just remain seated, friends. We're all going to be okay. That's a fin. Okay. I don't know if Officer George knows about this. George. You need to get out of the water, George. The shark's still out there. Come on, swim, man, swim. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. We're just gonna move right along. Let's just hang out behind these gas tanks.
The flash flood.
And look at that. We have a little weather demonstration prepared here for you. And practical effects like this are exactly what our filmmakers use to create weather for their production. This rain you're seeing is from sprinklers. You got spring water straight up into the air and let it fall back down. As a lot of horror films, this is like our flash flood. Film shot a couple scenes out over here. And Saving Mr. Banks. They also filmed over here in our western sets. They made this in 1906 Australia for the flashback scenes with Colin Farrell. And on a time in Hollywood. They used this for a lot of key scenes because Leonardo DiCaprio, who is played an actual 747 plane that was cut into 4 pieces and brought over here on 4 flatbed trucks. The roof of the plane is just over here on the left. Steven Spielberg ended up liking the look of the exposed seats. They cut off the roof so that way it was able to fit under the freeway underpasses to bring it over here. And Steven Spielberg liked the look of the exposed seats because it added this mystery of where did all these plane passengers go?
Oh, hello, papagena. Tu le bella con la papaya.